Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Guys, many Apple customers are complaining that Wi-Fi and Bluetooth keep turning on every day. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can solve this problem on your iOS device. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, when I turn off the my Wi-Fi, it says disconnecting nearby Wi-Fi until tomorrow. And when I turn off the Bluetooth, it says disconnecting Bluetooth devices until tomorrow. So guys, as you can see, I have turned off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, but it's still not turned off. You have to go to the settings app to turn it off completely. So launch the settings menu on your iOS device. Tap on the Wi-Fi. Here you can see that even after turning off Wi-Fi is still on. If you want to turn off Wi-Fi completely, then turn it off from here. Now you just go to settings and click on Bluetooth and turn off Bluetooth as well. Now Wi-Fi and Bluetooth will be completely turned off in the device. If you turn off Bluetooth or Wi-Fi from the control center, it will be temporarily turned off. If you want to turn it off completely, you can do so by going to settings app. That's it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then click on the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching this video.